The United States has imposed sanctions on Venezuela's state-owned oil firm PDVSA, which holds a 49% stake in Jamaica's oil refinery PETROJAM. The Donald Trump administration today ordered United States companies doing business with the firm to divert payments to special blocked accounts as part of a plan to force Nicolas Maduro's Venezuela's elected president to step down. We have more from TVJ's Andrea Chisholm.
Stepping up the pressure on Venezuela, hitting them where it will hurt. This is United States Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin.
Effective immediately, any purchases of Venezuelan oil by U.S. entities, money will have to go into blocked accounts. If the people in Venezuela want to continue to sell us oil, as long as that money goes into blocked accounts, we'll continue to take it. Otherwise, we will not be buying it.
So just how much money is at stake? U.S. National Security Advisor John Bolton explains.
Today's measure totals $7 billion in assets blocked today, plus over $11 billion in lost export proceeds over the next year.
When there is a recognition that PDVSA is the property of the rightful rulers, the rightful leaders, president, then indeed that money will be available to Guaido.
Mr. Mnuchin pointed out that general licenses have been issued to United States oil refineries, so their operations should not be severely affected. It's not clear if the sanctions will negatively affect Jamaica. PDVSA still owns 49% of PETROJAM, and the Jamaican government says it will use legislation to take back the shares.
We have also issued general licenses to ensure that certain European and Caribbean countries can make an orderly transition. PDVSA has long been a vehicle for embezzlement, for corruption, for Venezuelan officials and businessmen. Today's designation of PDVSA will help prevent further diversion of Venezuela's assets by Maduro.
Mr. Bolton again called Nicolas Maduro illegitimate and urged the countries and the Venezuelan security forces to support Juan Guaido. He said the security forces in Venezuela will be responsible for the safety of U.S. diplomats, the National Assembly, and Mr. Guaido.
Any violence against these groups would signify a grave assault on the rule of law and will be met with a significant response.
No explanation of significant, but U.S. President Donald Trump has already indicated that all options are on the table. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.